Hey guys, it's We6C304 and I'm going to show you how to make another pretty good paper airplane. So what you want to do is you want to fold it in half like that, hot dog style, or I like to call it banana style. Unfold it, get this end, fold it to the crease, and do the same with that. It's like our other video. Make sure to check that out about this airplane that we saw on YouTube. It's pretty good, so make sure to check that out. Then we fold that upwards. And what we want to do now is we fold it in half like that. Then we take this corner, bring it down like that, flip it over, and do the same with the other side. Now, in the other video, instead of drawing the lines, if you saw it, you know what I'm talking about. You just want to make that mark about like 1.5 inches, and then fold it downwards. Fold it downwards. Then flip it over and try to match it. Now you have your pretty good paper airplane. I'm going to do a test flight for you guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I messed up. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, let's do an outside test. Set.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, nobody. Okay. Outside test. 3, 2, 1. So, pretty good. Flies pretty smooth. I'm going to do another test flight for you guys. Yeah. Oh, and one more thing. You don't want to hold it with these like that. You want to actually open them up and grab the middle thing. Okay, so again, 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Well, let's try that one more time. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's getting pretty wet now. Like I said, it's a pretty good airplane without the paper clips. And if you want to add the paper clips and these things, you'll know what I'm talking about if you checked out our other video. So, yeah, make sure to check out all our videos and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Okay, so what I found out is that actually, what's happening? What? I'm saying that because my timer is recording sideways. Yeah, you heard me. My iPhone camera timer is recording sideways. Oh well, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so what happens is this is our later model. It actually flies good by holding it like that and not like that. Flies pretty good holding it like that. Unfortunately, this is our other model from a different video. This is a mess up. I guess I can do one test flight, see if it works. It's without the paper clips, and if you actually want to learn how to make it, I'll put a link in the description. Here we go. Oh yeah, it did a flip. I don't know if you guys saw that. Yeah. So it sucks because I messed these things up and it doesn't have the paper clips. So yeah. Anyways, try try holding it like that. And remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace.